Hi, and welcome back. Lesson how to first create the hidden apps on your iPhone and iPad. Hidden apps help protect your privacy, but what happens when one of those apps becomes unresponsive or keeps running in the background? Well, fortunately, Apple provides a pretty neat way to manage and first kill hidden apps when needed. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to unlock your device and then swipe left on the home screen to bring up the app library. Then you have to tap on the hidden section and authenticate using your Face ID. Now you have to swipe up from the home bar to access the app switcher to view all the hidden apps. Now you have to swipe up all the app cards one by one to kill them, and that's about it. So that's how you can quickly first create the hidden apps on your iPhone and iPad. Whether you are fixing an app that's frozen, improving performance, or simply managing background activity, this is a useful trick to know. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy and helpful method, make the most of it in order to easily fix the unresponsive or frozen app. And I'll catch you up in the next one.